Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe to get all my new updates. Let us review what the newly launched High Ticket Riches product offers for you now. If you like this product, you can avail it by clicking the link in the description below and get all my limited time custom bonuses today. Let's go through the official page of High Ticket Riches offer now. Calling struggling affiliates. If you're tired of working your butt off and only making $9 per sale, then let me show you how to 100x your earnings per sale. It's not as hard as you think. If you're promoting products from any of the top affiliate networks, then this could be a real game changer for you. It doesn't matter if you're making daily sales or whether you've not managed that first sale yet, what I'm going to share with you will make a big difference to how much work you do, and how much money you make from affiliate marketing. It's true that affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. It's how I made my first dollar online, and years later it's still where a big chunk of my income comes from. Someone else creates a product and sets up a website to sell it. You, as the affiliate, promote that website and send traffic to it through your own unique link. If any of the visitors you send buy the product, you get paid the commission. Simple. The beauty of it is you do not have to have a product of your own, you do not have to deal with product delivery, handle customer inquiries, complaints or refunds. No other business model has such low barriers to entry. Startup costs are virtually zero, and you can start making money in a very short time. But, and I'm going to be blunt here, there's a reason why most affiliates do not succeed. Most affiliates fail because they promote the wrong products. I know what it's like to struggle with affiliate marketing. You send a ton of traffic, you start to get sales, and it feels great. But then you realize that even though you are making sales, you are only earning $7, $8, maybe $9 commissions. So no matter how much traffic you send, no matter how many sales you make, you are never going to make life-changing amounts of money. To keep any income coming in, there is a constant need to keep sending traffic to new offers to keep these single-figure commissions coming in. But there is a solution to this. So, what am I talking about? High-ticket affiliate marketing. If the products you are promoting are only paying you a few dollars per sale, then you have to make a ton of sales each month to even pay the bills. But did you know that it's possible to make hundreds, even thousands, per sale instead? Wouldn't it be nice if every time you got that "congratulations" email, the ones that tell you that you had just made $5, or $7, or $9, if instead they said you had just made $500, $1,000, or even $2,850? That is not just possible, it's no more difficult to achieve than your standard low-ticket commissions, provided you know how. Keep reading, and I'll tell you exactly how. Why high ticket? Make much more with no extra work. It takes the same amount of work to sell a $2,500 product as it does a $17 product, especially if you know the correct entry points. Fewer sales required. You can hit life-changing monthly income goals with 3 to 5 sales instead of 100+ sales. Changing people's lives. Low-ticket products will rarely make a difference in someone's life. The truth is that most are just shiny objects. But high-ticket programs can often completely change someone's life, and you can be a part of that happening. If you like to know more, please click the link in description below. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.